welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's learn how you can add the sound in your YouTube video or any video you wanted to edit. So first you have to click on this link. This is a software where you can edit. It's completely free. And then after click you come to this page. You have to sign up because without sign up you can't even export your video and then add new video. Then you come to this page after adding, uploading the video, whatever you want to do, change your voice in the video. And here you can click this video. Like you can see, I already clicked this, and this video I wanted to add sound. So here you can click the audio link, and here you can change the voice changer. Click, and here you can find all the voice changer, whatever you wanted to add. So I like more sweet voice, so I wanted to click on sweet video. Here you can see it's working, and here you can find these all things. And if you find,
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let's learn how we can edit our video in CapCut. So you can type CapCut on Google.
Here you can find these all things. This video is working, and I wanted to ratchet it on 22 because when you remove this on a 20 full or something like this or that, but it's sounds over, so you have to choose 22 and between 30, 0.22. so I choose 0.28 and export it.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let's learn how we can edit our
So yeah, that's it for the video. This is how you can change sound and edit your sound in the video, and here you can download it.